Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am today standing again in front of Dhulichand Motors because I have been invited by them to attend the launch party of Tiago NRG. So of course you have seen the title and the thumbnail, so you know which car I am going to talk about today. So let's get started, and at first let's hit the intro.
One eternity later.
Good evening, everyone. We welcome you all to our dealership, Dhulichand Motors. We are launching one of our best products, that is Tata Tiago Energy. First of all, I would like to call upon our chief guest for today, Mr. Shomo Paul, Manager at CESC. Sir, please come up. Manager CSC. Our General Manager for Dhulichand Motors, Mr. Shobhitaji Majumdar. Sir, please. And last but not the least, our Sales Manager, Mr. Chandan Gautam. Then I would request all our customers, all our privileged customers over here, who are present over here, to please come up and cut the cake for us.
Sir, Aji, sir.
So now, before unveiling the car, I would like to call upon one of our best sales consultants of our dealership, Mr. Shubhankar Mitra, to just give you a presentation on this product. Mr. Shubhankar, please go.
Good evening, everybody. We're actually looking at our new car, and a very warm welcome to everybody to the launch of the Tata new Tiago NRG. Now, we have all known Tata Tiago from a very, very long time. Till the time from BS4 till BS6, Tata Tiago has always been a successor for Tata brands. Now, how is Tiago making a difference with the NRG? So, first we focus on the sales figure. Tiago has always been. So, if you talk about Tata Tiago, we're looking at great sales figure on the concept. We have been selling more than 3 lakh units till up to date, and Tiago Energy is no difference when it comes to the safety. It's a 4-star safety rated mini compact off-roader. Now, the main difference between the Tiago, the old Tiago, and the NRG is all about the features and also the tough looks that it carries, and along with that, it also has a good capability of taking some off-roading capabilities as well. So, all over, we would have the look at the new Tiago, which is a Tata Tiago Energy with a bigger ground clearance and a lot of features built in it. So, once the car is unveiled, we will go on for the entire specification and the variant which has more of technical specs in it. So, can we go on for the unveiling?
Yes.
Tiago has always been loved with beautiful colors that get represented. Now, once we look at the new Tiago NRG, you immediately notice few certain changes. The first thing is the bold looks of this Tiago, and yes, of course, we have a bigger and increased ground clearance, which is now gone up from 170 to 181 millimeters. That's up by 11 millimeters. That's quite a lot. So we have beautifully placed skid plates. Now ये फंक्शन करती है मेनली जब हम लोग खराब वस्तु पे चलते हैं और गाड़ी जब गड्ढे में गिर जाए तो हम लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि गाड़ी कहीं हिट ना हो जाए, कोई बम्पर्स में स्क्रैच ना पड़ जाए, कोई डेंट ना आए. So these bumper clearings, if you see here, it actually protects your body from underneath and over here. So that even if your car is being hit by any rocks or stones, it does protect your car body. Now you see here this bumper, it's totally newly designed, gives it a bold and masculine look for the new Tiago Energy. The fog light shapes have been changed, and if you come around, you see a lot of new text that has been introduced in Tiago for the first time. Now when I say first time, it is actually there are a lot of things like now the Tiago is keyless entry. So what it means, you don't have to take your keys out every time you start your car or lock and unlock your car. We have reverse sensors. You press it to lock the car and you press it to unlock the car. अभी Tiago में push start button भी आ गया. So now Tiago Energy has the feature of giving you an access to open your boot with just the help of a key button. And now if you really talk about the Tiago, it is a very fun driving car. It is one of the most safest hatchback in this segment. कोई भी hatchback अभी तक 4-star safety rating में नहीं पहुंच पाया, any of the competitors. So the specialty of the Tiago Energy, अगर बोला जाए, it's not only the looks, because if you see this structure, it still remains that identical look from the Tata Tiago, but increased ground clearance from the front till the back. Wheelbase इसका same रहता है. There is no changes in the wheelbase, which means when you are approaching a bad surface and when you are leaving the bad surface, your car does not hit the front from the rear end. और सबसे खास बात तो inside में आ जाता है. So I would request some of our guests to please come around this side so we can have a look inside the car. The new Tiago is coming with two variants. One is the manual, one is the automatic. Now we see the first difference is the key inserts are missing. There is no key inserts. You can push button start आ गया. And along with that we have all the necessary goodies that we need from a hatchback from today's life. We have electrically controllable and adjustable ORVM mirrors. You have these beautifully looking piano black finish on the steering, which gives you a first attraction whenever you see the car. Second, this car comes with a total digital instrument cluster, just like our old Tiago. It also fits up with a Harman Kardon 7-inch touchscreen, which gives you an 8-speaker setup, which has an excellent sound system, sound quality. All the good features which we used to have in top models, जो भी सारे features top model में आता था, shopkata features like seat height adjustment. We have steering mounted controls with voice alerts, and it also packs in a manual AC control unit. And this is another highlight, we need to highlight this part. We are having request sensors in Tiago for the first time. So don't take your keys out. गाड़ी के पास जैसे ही आ जाते हैं तो गाड़ी खुद ब खुद सेंस कर लेता है 1 फुट के अंदर कि the owner has arrived with the key. Just press this, unlock the car, get in, push the start button, and the car is ready to go. In the rear end, if we see these body claddings, now these are really different because these are not circle anymore. These are square. You see these hinges, they're not circle. So it gives that rough macho feeling as if it would have been a CUV, but it is a hatchback which is capable of doing good off-roads. Now the ground clearance is really good. 181. Mane Kolkata rastaয় বলুন বা highway drives, it is going to be a breeze. You take this car anywhere and this car just goes out, perfectly in all situations. Now in the rear section we also find the same bumper cladding that we saw in the front. The bumper claddings are made up of hard plastic, so even if you hit the back, there is no worries of getting your bumpers damaged. we have reverse parking camera along with reverse parking sensors. Now,
Is this also working as a diffuser as well?
absolutely, it also works as a diffuser. Now, the Tiago has become more interesting when you open up the boot. You just press a button and there is no key needed to open up the boot. It comes with a magnetic key open lock system. Boot space is 242 liters, which is one of the biggest in this segment. And আমাদের কাছে এই অপশনটাও থাকে so that we can flip fold the seats right up and increase the space of the boot by quite a lot of numbers. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखते हैं तो we have this beautifully bold looking a badge of fiber which gives you the logo of NRG with the Tiago badging, and this is the first time we are having a variant badging on Tiago. It comes with rear defoggers, rear washer wiper, and yes, it has a bigger wheel size like the top model would have. It has a 15-inch wheel set. The wheel size is 15, gives you a dual cast wheel, and again the design statement is absolutely stunning. Alright gentlemen, now my previous video was a bit different, and now I would be taking this opportunity to give my friend PS Motors. So the next review would be from PS Motors, getting you all the detailed and a closer look of the new car Tata Tiago NRG. So have a look guys. And yes, once you're looking at the car, once you're taking a good look at the views of all the designs elements, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. The channel name is PS Motors. Do not forget to hit a like and subscribe button. Take care till then.
So now let's start the review in PS Motors style by first unlocking the car. This is the front profile you guys. It gets the tri-arrow design on the radiator grille, and under it gets a really cool chrome element which is very nicely merged with the headlamps. So here we are inside this car, and starting with the instrument cluster, which is a fully digital one which looks awesome. So this car comes equipped with a brand new touchscreen infotainment system from Harman which supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Below it gets few vehicle controls, and at the bottom it gets the manual AC controls. At the bottom it gets a space to keep your mobile phone along with a 12-volt power socket and a USB socket for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It gets a manual gear lever and a manual handbrake lever. Let's have a closer look. And of course it gets a cup holder at the center console. And talking about the glove box, it gets a really deep and usable one. And moving on, it gets the sun visor for both passenger and the driver. For the passenger it gets a vanity mirror, and for the driver it gets nothing, just a ticket holder. And this is the manual rear view mirror. And now talking about the steering column, it gets the wiper controls on the left, and on the right side it gets the light control, and the infotainment system controls are mounted on the steering wheel. And Tata is smart enough to provide a space for the driver as well. So now let's get into the rear seats of this vehicle, shall we? Starting with the door, let's have a closer look. So let's have a closer look at the door. It gets the grab handle, tweeter, and a space to keep your water bottle, and an umbrella maybe, including a speaker. So here I am in the rear side passenger seat. You get ample amount of knee room and leg room, and you get no magazine holders. By the way, the seats are in all fabric upholstery, and it gets a huge hump on the center, so the middle passenger may find a bit difficulty to adjust himself or herself. So it gets two headrest and no armrest, along with a white LED in the center, roof lamp in the center which is in white LED, And so now let's hear the engine sound. Guys, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel PS Motors, because 80% of the viewers are not subscribing to my channel, so please subscribe it. And if you have any queries about this car, hit comment down. I'll try to answer every question of yours. And come on, let's keep a like aim of about 10 likes, so hope you can complete this video. So that was everything, you guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Peace.